are about to request for that. Thank you.
Meeting ends here. Since you are still in the... When are you going back?
On Tuesday from here.
You are going Tuesday and a couple of other
Yeah.
going on Wednesday.
Make sure you get an opportunity to visit the source of the Nile.
Sure.
Yeah. We are planning to go to Hutchinson's National Park tomorrow.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Leero tufunye omukisa okukyaza ekibinja ky'aba investors abawerera ddala 15 abeekulembeddwa Dr. Siva Mahesh ne Dr. J.A. Chaudhry. Bano bavudde mu mawanga ag'enjawulo okujja mu Uganda okulaba chances ze balina okuba nga nabo bagatta ku nkulaakulana yaffe mu ngeri ez'enjawulo. Ekisooka baagala okunoonya butya Uganda bwekwatagana nabo okwongereza ku kutondawo emirimu nga tuyita mu byakalimagezi. Ekirala butya bwe tutondawo emirimu nga tuyita mu industries. Ekirala butya bwe tutondawo emirimu nga tuyita mu byobulambuzi. Kati nze mbabuulidde nti gavumenti yaffe eri emu ku nsi ezaaniriza ba musigansimbi. Ne mbabuulira obulungi obukirimu singa bajja ne bateeka ssente zaabwe wano. Ekisooka tufuna emirimu. Ekyokubiri twabagambye nti ensi yaffe erina obutebenkevu obwannamaddala. Ekyokubiri mbagambye nti Uganda Katonda yatukwasa mikono ebiri. Eno y'ensi erina ettaka eddungi, ensi Katonda gye yawa ebyobutonde. Nayogedde ku River Nile, ninjogera era enkya bagenda kugenda Maxon Falls. Nenjogera ku bintu bingi nnyo. Tulina emmwanyi okuzigattako omutindo ate ne tuzisuubuza ne tuzitwala mu nsi z'ebweru. Tulina ebintu bingi, kokowa n'ebirala ebyobulimi. Era ne mbabuulira nti gavumenti yaffe ya NRM ekulemberwa ekitiibwa Pulezidenti Museveni ekoze kinene nnyo okulaba ng'abantu baffe tubakunga basobole okukola kati tebajja kubulwa. Hani embalaga ne areas endala nga amafuta n'embalaga minerals, ebyobugagga eby'omu ttaka n'ebirala byonna. Kale ndabye basanyufu, bansabye ekisooka okuba nga baleeta olukiiko tabamiruka olw'aba investors omwaka ogujja. Omwaka guno luli Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka eri eyo era side zeewaabwe eyo mu India, baluleete wano mu Uganda. Ekyo kikulu nnyo. Ekyokubiri bansabye okusisinkana ministry ya tourism era nenzikiriza omukulu Tom Butima abasinkane ku Monday. Tuba tugambye enkya naye ku Monday kubanga enkya bagambye bagenda keera kugenda mu byobulambuzi. Ministry ya Agriculture bajja kusisinkana ne Minister wa Science ne Technology owamu n'ebyenguudo okwogera butya kuba abazze okuva enakasero bamaze essaawa okutuuka wano olwa jaamu naye nti bayinza okufuna solution ey'ekizibu kya jaamu wano mu Uganda. Bye bibaddewo. Kati nga bw'omanyi omuntu yenna, kati nga bw'olabye n'omuzeeyi gwe gusoose okujja wano mu Africa, gwe gusoose okujja mu Uganda. Kati zino enkiiko zetugenda okuba zeŋŋambye, Uganda Investment Authority, National Planning Authority, be bagenda okubalaga owali areas eza investment kubanga oli ajja n'ekifaananyi nga kinene. Kati bo bazze balina ekifaananyi ekinene nga balowooza oba tetunnaba kutandika mu byakalimagezi. Naye ne mbabula nti tutandiseeko wano, tutandiseeko already mulaba tuli ku mitimbagano naye okukwanagana ne ministry ya evunaanyizibwa okulaba owakyali omuwaatwa kyekikulu. Mwebale nnyo. Olw'ekyo bwe bambuuzizza ekya traffic nendagira ministry y'ebyentambula eya mukulu waffe General Katumba Wamala ne ministry ya KCCA ya Kampala okukwanagana nabo balabe butya bebajja kubanga waliwo kyetukozeeko butya bo bayingiriramu wa. Mwebale nnyo, mwebalire ddala. We are facilitating our communities. We have a project called PDM, the Parish Development Model, that is supporting our communities to be self-reliant, to be productive. So, you have come at a time when we needed you most to put all these products our people are producing. So I want to facilitate you. Thank you. To make sure that you go through all the requirements in just a short time. So I am now directing through all the registration processes so that you come and settle in just 2 or 3 months, because that's what we agreed as government. I want to thank you once again. May God bless you. I wish you the best. I want to assure you that and gifted by God, we have a president who has a passion for our country. He has been a president for quite some time, and he has amassed a lot of experience. So for us, we facilitate all that he needs this government to achieve. I promise that I will inform him maybe today or tomorrow, so that he's aware of your needs.
Sure.
Next time you come back, you will definitely meet the president. Yourselves.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. I have a proposal, ma'am. You mentioned that October you have a NAM conference here. We'll have on the side, we'll have a separate working committee. Is it possible for us to launch the digital Uganda? What all the components of the digital Uganda we will be able to launch during that conference? And say unless we keep the deadlines, the timelines, things won't happen. Since it is happening in October, that means from now to October, all of us have to work together. What is that we are going to do? With all the timelines, all those things, if it is possible, we will launch, maybe yourself or Honorable President can launch the digital Uganda, and how many millions of jobs are going to be created in Uganda through that initiative, and what all can be done. We will work out the complete mechanism, what is doable, what is not doable, and where government help is required, where industry help is required, all that we will do that background work, and we will formally launch during that summit, so that from then onwards we will get into real execution.
I want to inform you the transformation is one area which is high on our agenda. We even have a full-fledged ministry. I will connect you to the Ministry of Science and Technology.
Thank you.
And I believe Honorable Musenero is in the country, so that maybe tomorrow, Saturday, but for us we work even Saturday. I'll make sure that I get her so that you can be on the same table.
I'll be more than happy to meet.
That is her area. Thank you so much.
Thank you, madam. Thank you.
Get in touch with the Ministry of Works and Transport and KCCA, because the challenge we have of traffic is in the city, so that you can come up with what can truly help us. We waste a lot of time in traffic jam.
Yeah, ma'am, what I mentioned to conference happening every year, organized by Stanford University alumni. They bring the top-notch CXOs, CEOs, investors only by invitation, and they take those people to different countries. Every year, one country. This year, it is happening in Colombo in Sri Lanka, and I know the organizers very well. I am the one of the keynote addresses I am giving to that conference. I am also going. I will talk to him. Next conference, instead of taking it to any other country, we will try to bring it to Uganda.
I want to assure you that I will support you in this.
Thank you. Thank you.
I now direct that the state, my undersecretary, Rosa Alenga, please connect these people to the Ministry of Foreign Affairs. And we want to make sure that you have a meeting with the Ministry of Foreign Affairs.
Excellent.
Because they are the ones who take a lead in that direction.
One more small request, ma'am. Bring those people to those countries. They also invite, along with the families, they come, so that the families will also enjoy the tourism. That's where they select the countries where the tourism is also there. So I want to meet somebody who also takes care of the hospitality, tourism, what are those things, so that experience, whatever they are going to get, it should be the best, better than what they got in Sri Lanka.
I will now direct my staff to get in touch with Honorable Tom Butime, who is the Minister in charge of Tourism, Wildlife and Antiquities.
Oh.
By the way, Uganda has the best, I can say. You know, sometimes when you are talking about something good, you feel proud. Uganda is the best tourism destination. So many wildlife species. So many.
Yeah.
If you want to have a look at the elephant, is here. Antelope is here. Everything is here, including so many species of birds.
I wish I had come here 10 years before.
There are so many people who come to invest here. Sometimes they make this their second home. And I know you don't go home yet. We have the best foods in the world. Original. Best foods in the world. Taste our pineapple.
Yeah, I tasted.
You already tasted?
Banana I tasted, pineapple I tasted, watermelon I tasted. All of them are superb. Superb.
I would like to tell a short story here. 4 years before, I was looking for a country. I chose Africa first, and then I was looking which country is the best, and named out to East Africa. Then last year we finalized Uganda. Here we are. And as I said, we already started 1,000 acres, and now we are expanding to 10,000 acres in the next couple of years. Not just agriculture, we want to be a #1 processor in the world for the products that we are doing. Yeah.
So I meeting ends here. since you are still in the... When are you going back?
On
Tuesday.
Tuesday from here.
You are going Tuesday and a couple of other
Yeah.
going on Wednesday.
Make sure you get an opportunity to visit the source of the Nile.
Sure.
Yeah. We are planning to go to Hutchinson's National Park tomorrow.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
We are about to request for that. Thank you.
నా కెమెరా ఎవరి దగ్గర ఎవరికి వచ్చాను
అబ్బాయి దగ్గర